at gold, and here I would opt to go back to, let's say, the 2-hour scale. 2-hour scale in terms of gold, we discussed yesterday the possibility that that could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we said that would be a fifth wave that looks like it failed. It's not totally out of question, but I wouldn't rate it as a high confidence reading. I would actually suggest that we might be looking at an extended fourth wave, lateral movement that should be taken as a fourth wave, and then when it's over, it'll go back up to give you the fifth. Okay, it's a little bit touch and go at this point. I would say this level is very important right here. Short term for gold, 2880. Breaking through that would almost certainly tell us that this is the top of the fifth, which means that the rally that started way back here on the 25th, on the 14th of January 25, that rally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is over, and it'll correct and correct not just for 2 or 3 days. We could have a very substantial correction. So pay attention. 2880 is an important level. If you do crash through that, if we do crash through that and we stay sort of going sideways, really sagging, heavy going, that's bad sign. It means it wants to correct substantially. There's a huge gap here. Yes, it could easily go all the way back to 2780 to close that gap. Now here's silver. That is the 2-hour scale. Silver has not given up yet, in my opinion, about delivering here consolidation, fourth wave that would lead actually higher. Yes, this is definitely possible. Remember that the options are as follows. We have 1, we have 2. You see the question marks because we just don't know at this point. Mr. Market has not sort of cut it one way or another in terms of raising the stakes on a particular structure, but these are the options that I see. There could be others. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3, and all of this is part of a fourth wave. And you can see it's stuck here. Perfectly possible as a fourth wave. What's the problem? I think the problem will come if we see a break under this level right here, 3159.5. Well, 3160. Okay, we break through that. That should tell you something else is going on. What could that be? Very likely we are in an ABCX ABC, and that will turn into an ABC, and there'll be probably an X here, and then another ABC coming down, and all that will be encapsulated within a larger pattern that I take it as A, B, C, D, E, and I discussed it many times. It doesn't mean that this is correct, but if we do break through this level, 3160, that's news. That's news. That will force our hands to reconsider the wave count, and almost certainly will call for further decline to retest the bottom here at around 2940. That's what I see at this point in the case of silver.